Welcome back, guys. We got a new sponsor of the channel. You may see their name right there, Bad Dog Tools. I contacted them a little while ago and asked if they wanted to sponsor the channel, and they said yes, they would. So thankful for them, and of course all my other sponsors. But they sent me a box. I've already removed shipping labels, so that's why the box looked bad. I did already open this, so this is not how it came. So it was packed a lot neater, but so sent this shirt, which this is the second time this has happened to me. It's not no one's fault, but they sent me a large shirt instead of a medium, which I'm gonna try to shrink it in my washer and see if that brings it down to size, because it doesn't fit me that well right now. But then they sent me this box, and that box over there. Of course, I already opened this. Now, when I opened this, the drill bits were everywhere, so I did organize them. But lifetime guarantee, less bark, more bite. This is. Can you guys see this? Okay. This is a diamond sharpening wheel for the drill bits that are right here. 14-piece set, cuts through wood, masonry, metal, glass and tile, plastic, and hardened steel. And there you go. Right there. We'll be testing these out and seeing how they perform. I am a real person, so I just want to clarify that right now. Yes, they did send me this for the channel, but if their products are crap, I'm gonna let you know. If they're not, I'm gonna let you know, because that's how I am. I didn't get paid to say anything. I'm just basically reviewing some products for them. So we got that. Then we got this 7-inch flange diamond cutting wheel that I'm gonna put on my Milwaukee cordless. Then they sent us a bunch of stickers. I love my stickers. Bad Dog Tools, less bark, more bite. All these stickers. Then they also sent me this ¼ and 3/8 flange for my die grinders. So there we are. I'm gonna probably review some more items for them and let drop. I've heard a lot of great things about them, and I like having good companies on the team at N.R.T. Offer Performance, guys. N.R.T. Offer Performance is a very fast-growing company, and we like to support those companies that support us. So, see, I'll put this back in the packaging for now, because I'm not going to use this for a little bit. And they also have a bunch more products that I'll probably be reviewing in the future. Let's open this up. Very nice packaging. It's like you can put the item back in the packaging if you ever have to warranty it. See, we got a sharpening wheel for sharpening the drill bits. We'll be reviewing that, because I don't know if you can use that on all drill bits or just theirs, but we'll ask them and see. Unless if they're watching the video, Bad Dog, if you want to comment and tell me if I can use this on regular drill bits or if it's particular to your drill bits, let me know, please. Then we got drill bits. Already opened that. Put that back in there. So it's so nice. Then got the shirt again. since 1988. Pretty awesome. They've been around that long. And said they're made in the USA. So that's always awesome because we need to support our companies made in the USA a lot more. But that's the unboxing. I'm going to take my shirt and going to go put it in the wash and see if it shrinks it so I can wear it. Because right now it's too big for me. If not, I'm pretty sure I talked to Bad Dogs and let them know. Watch video. You can follow Bad Dogs at BDT Bad Dog Tools on YouTube, BDT on Facebook, and at Bad Dog Tools on Instagram. Go follow them on all that platforms. Family owned and operated since 1988. Bad Dog Tools was incorporated, I think, in 1988. But the innovation thinking that has helped us develop a range of unique and patented tools was honored decades earlier in a machine shop in Connecticut, making parts for helicopter rotors. Now, a third generation is working side by side, ready to take Bad Dog forward using modern manufacturing technology, but with an eye to the past. So, basically a machine shop and not make tools and stuff. So, I was thinking about making some tools, but so far I'm very impressed with Bad Dog Tools and look forward to working with them on their channel and helping out the N.R.T company, which N.R.T Off-Road Performance is not only a YouTube channel, that's also a company that is a repair shop, and we repair ATVs, dirt bikes, go-karts. We're getting into full-size tractors right now. If you haven't seen, we got a 1980s Ford 7610 4x4 with a 7.7F loader on it. We'll be fixing up. That's a very special build coming to the channel. So then we got some other stuff coming to the channel, like a demolition of a shed. That's coming up pretty soon too. And we're gonna get the FL250 finish, and we're gonna go drive that. That's also something coming up. But please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, share my videos, and feel free to check out the rest of my videos. I got like almost 1,300 videos on YouTube now, which is extremely a lot for a YouTube channel. But I'm not doing this for the views. I'm not doing this for the money. I'm doing it to help people. And I know a lot of YouTubers say that, but I truly do. Yes, it's nice to have companies support the channel, and I support them back 100%. But also getting a paycheck from YouTube helps out run this business, because right now my repair business is basically I'm closed, and I'm not repairing any other vehicles besides mine, just because I got so busy with YouTube. So having sponsors and having a paycheck from YouTube helps out the company a lot. And if you have any mechanical questions, please let me know in the comments, and I'll gladly answer them for you. And until next time, guys, catch you on the next one.